Articulation bones of the legs is connected between the articulatio tibiofibularis and the continuous fibrous connection, which is membrana interossea cruris and the syndesmosis tibiofibularis. Articulatio tibia fibularis is a flat joint. It is multi-axial, slightly movable. It is a connection between the articular surface of tibia and the articular surface of the fibula. This articulation is strengthened by the ligamentum capitis fibulae anterior and the ligamentum capitis fibulae posterior. Membrana interossea cruris is a strong fibrous connection. It stretches in the interosseous margins of fibula of tibia and fibula. Syndesmosis tibiofibularis, as by its name, syndesmosis, it is a continuous joint. It is formed by the. It is connected by the incisura tibia and the surface of the fibula. This syndesmosis is strengthened by the ligamentum tibia fibularis anterior and ligamentum tibia fibularis posterior. In some cases, this syndesmosis is known as the joint when the capsules of the talocrural joint protrudes into this syndesmosis. In some cases.
Sorry.